Hello friends, this is a 24-piece snake cube. Here now we teach fishing boat and flamingo making. By the way, it is very difficult to make a fishing boat and flamingo making. But friends, we will teach you in the easiest way. So let's get started. We have just reached our destination. Ultimately, we learned to make fishing boat and flamingo making. Thank you. Watch this video. Friends, if you are new to my channel, then subscribe to the channel, like and share video. And yes guys, don't forget to write a comment.